stop sign. Oops. Oh well. Great way to start off the video here. Alrighty. Well, we are 3.2 miles away from our final destination. We are almost at Outdoor with Big Matt's house. Going to get my puppy and Mr. Dinger Dogs is sound asleep. Hey, Dingo. 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 Are you ready? We're almost there. You ready to see baby puppies? Yeah, stretch it out. Stretch it out. We're gonna go see the baby puppy. You get to go see your new sister. Are you ready to go see your sister? He's like, who? What? Hang on a minute. Let me change the camera. Bam. There we go. Hey, Dingers. You ready to go see your baby sister? You ready? Hey, are you awake? Nope, I was sleeping. We're gonna see Big Matt. You ready? You're not gonna talk to me? You sleepy dogs? But we're almost there. 1.8 miles. And we're almost there. Are you ready? Nope, I'm sleeping. Did you hear me the first time? Sleepy dogs. Alrighty, 1.5 miles and we'll be there. What's bad is we both have Life 360 family tracker thingy, and his whole family knows right where I'm at, pretty much. So there ain't no sneaking up on them this time. But alrighty, I'm gonna jump off here just a minute and pull up in his driveway in less than a mile. So kind of excited about this, but I'll turn y'all back on here in a minute as soon as I figure out which house is his, because we're coming up on it quick like. Alright, see you in a minute.
Now,
Face her.
ready? Okay.
This is Outdoors with Big Matt. Meet
And-
Coyote. Meeting little Yodi for the first time.
Yeah.
He made it.
Hi
Yay.
there. Oh, hi there. Yes.
Look at that tail.
Oh, hi there. Hi. Yes, hi there.
Now, you see our puppies are lovers?
Are you ready to go have a great adventures?
Oh, yes.
We're going to have so many
He
adventures.
says so many news. Those eyes get me on him though.
Her. But yes,
yeah.
all of them. The ones that have the blue
It
eyes.
doesn't matter to me,
Look,
but it does matters to.
What I'm interested in is how Dingo is going to
Yes.
do with her.
And so we'll do another, we'll add on to this one here in a minute.
But, he's going to be videoing it too, and we won't be able to upload it until he gets his done.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we are here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Do you know who you're about to meet? Huh? Who is that? You see that little puppy right there? Hey, do you see that puppy over there? Look, right there. That's your sister. That's your new sister. Okay, let's go see her new sister. You ready to meet your sister? Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Look. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, sit. Stop. Look. Look. Is that your sister right there? look. Hey, it's your sister.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the
Mr. Jealous.
Matt,
What? You
could
get
grab-
overwhelmed?
Grab Specs, because the point was to not overwhelm me with
Dingo. Dingo's like, okay, overwhelming.
See, he likes her.
Oh, don't piddle.
Well, we want her to
She's
go
like, see,
potty.
this is who I am.
This is my scent thing.
Yeah. Hey,
Oh, there's Aunt Chris.
come here.
Whole family today.
Come here. Look. It's baby Coyote. What do you think? See? See? She's like, okay, I got your leash. You're not going anywhere. Get his leash. Yeah, pull him back. Pull him back. Say, get back over here, dingers. We wanted to see you. See?
He's like, who is that big dog next to my sister?
What do you think? Huh?
Oh, all right.
Don't fall.
Old man almost went down.
Okay, Cassidy.
Is that your sister right there?
Cassidy. Like, wait a minute.
Come here. Oh, look. Hey.
There we go.
Sister.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the gingerbread.
See,
Mr.
hey,
Jealous.
Matt, could you grab, could one of y'all grab Spec? Because the point was to not overwhelm me with too many.
Speck.
Yep,
Dingo.
there we go.
Overwhelming.
See, he likes her.
Oh, don't piddle.
Well, we want her to
She's
go
like, see,
potty.
this is who I am.
That's this is my scent thing.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Aunt Chris. You get to meet the whole family today.
Come here. Look. It's baby Coyote. What do you think?
Oh.
Who's scratching me?
Hi.
She's like, okay, I got your leash. You're not going anywhere. Get his leash. Yeah. Pull him back. Pull him back. Say, get back over here, dingers. We wanted to see you. See?
He's like, who is that big dog next to my sister?
What do you think?
It's like, Well, you all right?
Don't fall.
Old man almost went down. Now, what's funny is look at how she's following him now.
Uh-huh.
That's kind of what I wanted to kind of happen.
Right.
I wanted them to sniff and all, but now she's like, okay, I'm gonna watch him. He's actually reacting
Well, you know
a
what?
lot
I don't have your
better.
actual phone number.
He's reacting a lot better than I thought.
Can I get your phone number? Can I get your phone number?
425-358. Wait. See, what do you think? You like her? She's a good girl, isn't she? What do you think? Where you going? Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? I'm gonna get you. I gotcha. I gotcha. Dingo. Come on. No, come on. Dingo. Oh, hang on. Flip the camera. There we go. Look at dish. New addition. She's just a little cutie. Say, come on, dingoes. Dingers. Come on. Come on. But, yeah, we made it to Big Matt. And they seem to be doing good together. Dingo's not real sure. But she's following him, very interested in him and all, so that's a good thing. But see, we finally did make it to Big Matt's place. And Texas Down Under in Cassidy World and Jolt.
Down.
Being attacked by a puppy. Coyote.
And she's already getting her. You got food and I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna be in trouble.
Uh-oh.
I done put it on my community tab.
Hey, Dingo. Dingo.
Kinds of dog and cat smells.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? He's like, I'm happy to be in grass that doesn't have stickies in it.
Sorry, I couldn't be more patient, but I had to.
Patience is not his strong suit. I can tell you that.
What is this one's name?
Speck.
Speck.
Well, it's their baby name.
Yep, that's their
Speck.
baby name.
Do you want to take Speck home too?
Well, they're both boy and girl at the same
You
level.
can call that one pepperoni.
I think the wife would get mad at me if I brought
Well,
two of them.
actually-
I
Don't
kept
tell her you're
I
mad.
kept harassing her. I'm gonna bring two of them home. What if I come home with 2 or 3 dogs total? And she's like, no.
Well,
You come home with 2 dogs total, no more.
I'm really hoping to
Well,
get.
if you left Dingo here, you would
Hey.
still be bringing home too.
Hey, you could.
I ain't leaving Dingo here.
No. Here's what you do. She said you could come home with 2 puppies,
No, dogs.
2 dogs. Well,
Yeah.
Dingo's family.
She's
She's
learned.
not a dog. She's family.
She's learned to be a little technical around me because
What kind of phone do you have?
But Dingo,
Samsung.
Oh, okay.
Dingo is.
Alrighty, well, I didn't do my morning video like I was planning on it. The puppers wanted to go outside really bad, so we had to take her out. But still kind of coming up with names for her. Either Little Coyote, Blue Eyes, Puppuccino. I don't know. We'll have to do a question on what we should name her. But Mr. Dinger Dogs, he doesn't like this hotness, and he's still not too sure about the puppers. But she wants to play with him and wants to follow him around and be with him, but he's like, leave me alone. But she's a cutie. Yes, you are. Huh? Where you going? Where you going? She's trying to get away from the camera. She doesn't want to be on cameras. You want to go see Dingers? Here, go see your brother. Now watch this. You're not gonna go see him? Go see him. Go see Dingers. What, you don't want to see your sister? Not really. But they're getting along. Her little brother outside, though, Dingo doesn't want to be too close to him because he's a little too up into your face. But when I put her down there, Dingo comes up here and hides. And then she gets whiny and is like, I need to come up. Everybody is up there. I need to come up. Can I come up? So, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you good girls. Boop. And then watch this. I get her up here. And she's like, ew, I get to be up here with the big boys. Oh no, oh no, ow. She's attacking me. Ugh, puppy breath. But last night she slept right there between my legs, or either right here beside me. And Dingo, he slept down there. I tried to get him to come up here, but he didn't want to be too close to her. But come here. Watch this. I get him to come up here, and then she comes up and starts sniffing at him. And what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Puppers. What? Hey, why do you have your back to me? Hey. You're not talking to me? The puppers and the dingers. What? Alrighty, well, more videos to come.